Hi, my name is Brian Coe. I'm the Managing Director of Caterline Catering Equipment in Ireland. We've been partners with Winston Industries for some 27 years now. What keeps us interested in the Winston brand are three things: the customer service, the quality, and the usability of their equipment. The Winston philosophy is a little bit more than just a piece of equipment. It is a key instrument in any food service business. It's reliable, great usability, and user-friendly. So versatile in many ways, from holding, cooking, retherm. Important things in today's industry. Big costs are staff costs. Usability is a big thing with our customers. So the equipment is easy to operate. You don't need skilled staff to operate your equipment, hence you have a cheaper labor rate. Food cost is another big factor for our customers. So with the high yields of the Winston Cook and Hold, that's one of the major things our customers love about the Winston technology. The important things for us in our business, we're a family-run business like Winston. We consider our business as a personal thing. So we like the philosophy that Winston have, so we like to continue that to improve each other's business.